The Buick Encore remote start system has evolved significantly by 2025, offering multiple convenient ways to start your vehicle remotely. Understanding these methods and requirements ensures reliable operation. Remote start availability varies by model year. The original Encore from 2013 to 2022 offered factory remote start on most trim levels, while the newer Encore GX from 2022 onwards includes remote start as standard equipment with enhanced app integration. The most common method uses your key fob. This process requires a specific sequence of button presses to activate the remote start feature safely. First, ensure your vehicle is in park with the parking brake engaged. Then press and hold the lock button on your key fob. While holding lock, press and hold the remote start button, which has a circular arrow icon, for approximately 4 seconds. The vehicle lights will flash and the engine will start, running for 10 to 15 minutes before automatically shutting off. The My Buick mobile app provides a modern alternative to the key fob method. This smartphone-based approach requires an active OnStar subscription and offers additional monitoring capabilities. To use the app method, you need an active OnStar subscription, the My Buick app installed on your smartphone, and your vehicle must be within a cellular coverage area. The process is straightforward. Open the app, verify your vehicle connection status, select the remote start option, and confirm the command. You can then monitor the engine status directly through the app. For reliable remote start operation, several technical requirements must be met. Your vehicle's battery voltage must be above 12 volts, and you need at least 1/8 tank of fuel. Additionally, the hood must be completely closed, all doors must be locked, and the transmission must be in park position. These safety requirements prevent accidental operation and ensure secure remote starting. Once activated, the engine runs for 10 to 15 minutes before automatically shutting off. This timer-based system conserves fuel and prevents extended idling. The system also includes multiple safety shutoff triggers. The engine will stop immediately if the hood is opened, the brake pedal is pressed, or a key is inserted in the ignition. These features ensure safe operation and prevent unauthorized use. Remote start provides significant benefits, including preconditioning your cabin temperature for comfort, the convenience of starting your vehicle from inside your home or office, and warming the engine for optimal performance in cold weather conditions. When your Buick Encore remote start encounters problems or you want to maximize its capabilities, understanding troubleshooting steps and advanced features becomes essential. The most common remote start issue occurs after battery replacement. When your car battery is disconnected, the remote start system often loses its programming and stops working. Here's what a typical key fob looks like. After battery service, you may need to reprogram this device or visit your dealer for a system reset. To prevent this problem, always document your electronic settings before any battery service. Write down your radio presets, seat positions, and remote start preferences. Now let's explore the advanced features that make modern remote start systems so convenient and intelligent. Modern Buick Encore systems automatically integrate with your climate control. The system remembers your last temperature setting and prepares the cabin before you arrive. The system also activates seat heating or cooling based on the exterior temperature. Cold weather automatically turns on heated seats, while hot weather activates ventilated seats if equipped. Safety is paramount in remote start systems. Multiple protection features ensure your vehicle and family remain secure. The engine automatically shuts off if someone opens the hood or presses the brake pedal. This prevents unauthorized access and ensures the vehicle cannot be driven without the key. Carbon monoxide protection ensures proper ventilation, while the theft deterrent system integrates with your factory security to prevent unauthorized vehicle access. Regular maintenance keeps your remote start system functioning reliably. Here are the key maintenance tasks every owner should perform. Replace your key fob battery every 2 to 3 years, even if it still works. A weak battery can cause intermittent failures and reduced range. Keep your mobile app and vehicle software updated. These updates often include improved connectivity, new features, and important security patches. Schedule an annual professional inspection of your remote start components. This preventive maintenance catches potential issues before they cause system failures. Understanding these troubleshooting steps and maintenance requirements ensures your Buick Encore remote start system provides years of reliable, convenient service.